The MOONCOOL Electric Bike for adults is a noteworthy addition to the growing market of electric bicycles, offering a blend of robust performance, user-friendly design, and solid build quality. This e-bike stands out with its 700W peak power motor, making it suitable for both leisurely rides and more demanding terrains. Right out of the box, the assembly process is straightforward, with clear instructions that make it easy to put the bike together. The step-through frame design is a particularly thoughtful feature, catering to a wide range of riders, including those who may have mobility issues or simply prefer a more accessible way to mount and dismount the bike. The aluminum alloy construction not only contributes to the bike's lightweight nature but also ensures durability without sacrificing portability. One of the most impressive aspects of the MOONCOOL electric bike is its 700W peak power motor. This powerful motor provides ample assistance, allowing riders to tackle steep hills and rough terrains with relative ease. During my test rides, I was pleasantly surprised by how quickly the bike responds to pedal input, providing a seamless transition from human power to electric assistance. With the option to select from 7 different speeds, riders can easily adjust the level of assistance to match their riding preferences, whether they're commuting to work or enjoying a weekend excursion. The bike's battery life is another standout feature. Equipped with a removable 48V12A lithium battery, it offers a decent range that can comfortably cover 30 to 50 miles on a single charge, depending on the level of assistance used in terrain conditions. This range is particularly impressive for daily commuters who may be concerned about battery life. Charging the battery is hassle-free, taking approximately 4 to 6 hours, making it practical to charge overnight for the next day's adventures. When it comes to comfort, the MOONCOOL electric bike excels. The ergonomic seat is adequately cushioned, providing a pleasant riding experience even on longer rides. The adjustable handlebars allow for a personalized fit, accommodating different rider heights and preferences. The bike also features front suspension, which significantly enhances ride quality by absorbing shocks from uneven surfaces, making it a pleasure to ride even on bumpy roads. Safety is a critical consideration for any bike, and the MOONCOOL electric bike does not disappoint. The robust braking system, featuring front and rear disc brakes, delivers reliable stopping power even in wet conditions. This is a crucial feature that offers peace of mind, especially for riders who may encounter varied weather or terrain. Additionally, the integrated LED headlights and taillights enhance visibility, making night rides safer and more enjoyable. On the technology front, the bike comes equipped with an LCD display that provides essential information such as speed, distance traveled, battery level, and the selected mode of assistance. This display is easy to read and conveniently located, allowing riders to monitor their performance without taking their eyes off the road for too long. The inclusion of a USB port is a thoughtful touch that enables riders to charge their devices on the go, adding an extra layer of convenience for those who use their bikes for commuting or long rides. While the MOONCOOL electric bike boasts an impressive array of features, there are a few areas that could be improved. The bike's weight, while manageable, may be a concern for some riders, especially when it comes to lifting or transporting it. Additionally, while the bike is designed for various terrains, those seeking extreme off-road capabilities may find it slightly lacking compared to specialized mountain e-bikes. However, for the average commuter or recreational rider, these considerations are minor and do not overshadow the bike's overall performance. In summary, the MOONCOOL electric bike for adults is a compelling choice for anyone in the market for an electric bike. Its powerful motor, thoughtful design, and emphasis on comfort and safety make it suitable for a wide range of riding conditions and riders. Whether you're looking to commute, enjoy recreational rides, or simply explore your surroundings, this e-bike delivers an enjoyable and practical experience. With its combination of performance, comfort, and user-friendly features, the